Here, just keep us going straight. I put it in cruise control.
I feel just like Vin Diesel. It's all about family, Tom. Quick suggestion, roll up into a ball and smash him with your body.
Whoa! Where'd you learn how to drive?
Here, in this truck. It's happening as we speak.
I can't reach it. Bring him in closer.
What?
Bring it in closer. Hit the brakes.
Oh, you mean this one?
The other brakes!
Oh! Give me a big fat break!
Aw, this one is cute. Let's keep him.
Oh, come on!
How can something so adorable be so terrible? You got car insurance, right? Ah! Buzz off. That doesn't sound good.
No, beeping is bad. Get rid of it.
I'm trying.
Throw it out the window. Throw it anywhere.
I can't get it
All
off.
right, I'm pulling over.
Did I get it?
No.
Ah!
Here, hold still.
It's going! It's going! It's still here. Get off me!